The Honda XR150L stands out as the perfect combination of versatility, durability, and affordability, offering the lowest price in the dual-sport motorcycle segment. Designed to deliver exceptional value, this model features long travel front suspension, a reliable single-cylinder four-stroke engine, and styling inspired by the iconic XR650L. Whether for daily commuting or weekend adventure rides, the XR150L is suitable for riders of all experience levels. A key highlight of the XR150L is its classic upright dual-sport riding position, which enhances rider comfort and control. The tall handlebar ensures a natural posture, optimizing maneuverability, while the low seat height boosts confidence by providing a stable footing for smooth starts and stops. Rubber isolators on the foot pegs further improve comfort by minimizing vibrations, ensuring a smooth ride. Additionally, the rear rack offers practical cargo space for carrying luggage and supplies. Powering the XR150L is a 149.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled four-stroke engine, with bore and stroke measurements of 57.3 millimeters and 57.8 millimeters, respectively. Known for its legendary XR reliability, the engine delivers smooth and predictable power, making it capable of highway speeds while also excelling in urban environments and on dirt roads. Thanks to its efficient fuel consumption and class-leading 2.8-gallon fuel tank, the XR150L provides an impressive 346-mile fuel range. Riders will also appreciate the convenience of an electric starter. Built to endure off-road challenges, the XR150L features a rugged steel frame that provides outstanding durability. The tubular steel rear carrier comes standard, offering a solid platform for securing gear and essentials. The suspension system is well-balanced, with a 31mm conventional front fork providing 7.1 inches of travel and a single rear shock delivering 5.9 inches of travel. This setup effectively absorbs road imperfections and trail obstacles while maintaining a comfortable ride height suitable for various riders. Despite its manageable seat height, the XR150L is equipped with full-size wheels, 19-inch at the front and 17-inch at the rear, which contribute to superior stability and control on rough terrain and paved roads alike. For braking performance, the XR150L is equipped with a dual-piston hydraulic front caliper paired with a 240mm rotor, ensuring strong and precise stopping power. At the rear, a 110mm drum brake provides dependable braking performance across different riding conditions. With an MSRP of just $3,099, the Honda XR150L offers unbeatable value. The model will be available for purchase starting in March, making it an attractive option for those seeking a reliable and versatile dual-sport motorcycle.